somewhat the last few days, trying to get it usable again. But I keep finding a bunch of my old projects that are like mostly finished, partially finished, you know, there's a lot of things going on. But I'm feeling not so productive today, and I kind of want to go through a few of the bins that I found that are all a mix of those, and I think I'm gonna try on all the finished projects that I find. And I don't know, I thought it'd be fun if you guys tagged along. It might be really boring, but yeah, let's see. You guys keep falling. Okay, whew, there we go. First bin, I think this is a crochet skirt. Yeah, it is a skirt. It seems to fit pretty well. I'm probably gonna take this downstairs with me. Also, I want to clarify, I'm not styling any of these things right now. I'm literally just picking them up, and if it looks finished and I like it, I might try it on. But if you guys like any of the things and feel like you want to see them styled or whatever, I don't know, but yeah, anyways, next, oh, I think this one's like mostly finished, at least the bow is. It was a Minnie Mouse skirt. Okay, I need to move this out of the way for one. There we go. And two, this also actually fits really well. It was always way too big for me, and it finally fits, but the bow is really weird on the front. I don't know why I did that. I think I'll probably move it to the back or just wear it backwards if I ever do wear it, and I might actually. This actually turned out to be really cute. And I think there's another one in here. This one also has a bow, but I don't think I ever finished sequining it like I did this one. Let's see. Okay, this one I actually decided to just try on backwards, that way the bow would be in the back, and I like that a lot more. And yeah, no, this one actually also fits really well, and I might stick this one in my closet so you may see it again. But what else is in here? Those are not going to fit me, but they're cute. I think this is a black skirt. Ooh. Or maybe a shirt. Let's see. Okay, this is new. Yeah, no, this is another project that I have that I probably won't wear anymore, but I do still like. And this is a tube top, and it does fit. A little too well though. It was just a little more scandalous than I was trying to be on this Sunday afternoon. So this is the chaotic outfit that we're going with, but I think I'm gonna go back to my PJs and then we'll keep it rocking. Ready? Nice and comfy again. Okay, let's see, what else do we have in here? I don't know what these are. This is like used to be my favorite sweater. What was I doing to it? Oh hey, I think it's almost finished. Oh, hold on. Okay, my dog actually said it's potty time, and I feel like this is a good stopping point because I've already gotten through like 5 or 6 things and I don't want to overwhelm you guys. So I think I'm gonna boot scoop, but let me know if you guys want to keep seeing me go through these. I have like a handful of more things in this box and then like 2 or 3 others. That's all stuff I've made over the years. Yeah, have a good day and I'll see you later. Bye!